Tour 8 took a group of influencers and me to a Surichui tteok class. Surichui tteok are sweet rice cakes that are served as desserts in Korea.
How's the taste?
Very fresh.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. We're getting a sample of what we're going to be making shortly. This is the freshest rice cake I've ever eaten, ever. I thought we'd make them from scratch, but it turned out we were shaping and decorating them. Surichui is a plant that grows in the mountains, and it adds a rich, deep green colour and a unique flavour to the rice. To me, it tasted similar to green tea. Tteok is made by steaming and pounding glutinous rice. And after adding the surichui, the glutinous rice is cut and shaped before decorating each piece. Oh, that's so cute! Love it! I think my rice cake's gonna be too big. Getting a bit greedy here.
For this shape, you have to use only this one, not others. I will do one by one.
자, 이거 찾아서
Look at that one. Guys, you have it? That one? Yeah.
So I need to get this dead center. I need to press it in.
Just put this one on it.
The white one on top of that one. It looks terrible. Everybody did it so perfectly in my one.
Do not make the dirty shape.
Dirty.
This is a dirty shape. Look at that.
No, it's fine. The point like you're not gonna sell this for ya.
The smell automatically hits you. It just smells so good in here. Guys, this is my rice cakes. This actually didn't turn out so bad, and it's funny because they actually featured it here as a centerpiece, which I didn't expect them to because she was so petrified that all of the bean was gonna spread all over the oven as they were steaming, I guess. But hey, not so bad. Hey, it's so cute, isn't it?